Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox ID. First, understand that your Roblox ID is essentially your unique username on the platform, allowing you to access a vast universe of games and experiences. To begin, you'll need to visit the official Roblox website or download the application on your preferred device. This initial step is crucial for setting up your digital identity in the Roblox community, opening doors to countless adventures and social interactions with millions of other players. Next, you'll create your account. On the registration page, you'll be prompted to choose a unique username, which will be your primary identifier. This username must be between 3 and 20 characters long. Then, select a strong password, ideally 8 characters or more, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Finally, enter your birth date to ensure age-appropriate content and features are enabled for your account, completing the basic setup. After creating your account, it's highly recommended to verify your email address or phone number. This step significantly enhances your account's security, protecting it from unauthorized access. Verification also unlocks additional features and helps with account recovery if you ever forget your password. Simply follow the prompts to receive a verification code, which you will then enter on the Roblox platform to confirm your identity and secure your new ID. With your Roblox ID now fully set up and verified, you're ready to dive into the action. You can use your new ID to log in from any device, access your personalized profile, and explore an incredible array of user-created games. Connect with friends, customize your avatar with thousands of items, and participate in a vibrant global community. Your unique Roblox ID is your passport to endless creativity and fun, offering millions of experiences at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.